Hi guys, good morning. Coming up to midday, Wednesday 18th of March, and what a day it is. Usually I would start with equities and say how in the US we're limit down and have been since the early hours of the morning, but there's another market that's trumping that right now. No pun intended actually off that. But yeah, cable down 230 pips, blowing through 120 as if it was not even there, and we're currently down at 118.93 on the futures. This level, the lowest we've traded in, well, about 3.5 decades and more, I do believe. We're roaming through the September level, the post-Brexit 2017 level, and down 230 pips in what has been an absolute chaotic ride for cable, which not too long ago was up at 135 post-election, and obviously we've seen this move over the last couple of weeks just wipe out all of that move from September to December. The dollar itself is strong, that's not helping it. We're seeing that the dollar is king, flight to quality. The euro has been pushed down to the lows, Aussie dollar financial crisis lows as well. Another market which has taken out a historical level is oil, breaking below that 2016 double bottom that we had traded there. I think we're currently trading, let me just put that back on a 15-minute chart, 25.34. A couple of calls being made from our analyst team that we could well get down to $16 relatively soon. You've got some resistance here, support from 2002. You've got the 9/11 low at 16.57. That will be a target for some for sure. The OPEC price is down at $10.24. Is worth keeping an eye on as well. Oil under pressure, equities under pressure as well. You can see here, if I just bring in my S&P chart, we're limit down. The SPY ETF currently indicating will be another 1% lower on the open. That's not for another hour and a half, however. But you can see here in what looks like it's hardly moved at all is actually 5% lower, and the S&P has been limit down since 5:15. Same for the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq as well. Obviously, with these market moves continuing to provide this volatility, just be careful out there. The S&P has either been limit up or down every day for the last I think a couple of weeks, week or so, which is insane. Keep an eye on that 2018 though. This is the one everyone's talking about here in the S&P, that we need to take this out. Could that happen today? You'd be a brave person to bet against that. Hope everyone has a good trading day. Data calendar's almost not even worth talking about. It's going to be headlines, it's going to be key levels like we saw in the pound and the oil, and now the S&P coming up. Donald Trump is going to speak later on, apparently about a very important news conference, important news from the FDA concerning the Chinese virus, which he has named this. So eyes and ears on alert for that. Hope everyone has a good one, and I'll catch you all tomorrow as well.